Module Discovery is an online capability introduced with RSLogic version 20, and it allows you to browse the backplane or network to find devices to add to the Logic's I/O tree. This feature simplifies the user experience for adding devices to the I/O tree by not requiring you to know the exact catalog number, slot number, or network address. Unfortunately, Compact Logic's controllers does not support the Module Discovery. Our current project has no I/O modules configured, and we want to use the Module Discovery to add some modules. While online with the controller, it is possible to access the Module Discovery features by right-clicking on the backplane icon located under the I/O folder. By selecting Discover Modules, Logic's Designer will discover all the I/O modules which are present on the backplane. To add a module to our project, we need to create it. Let's start by adding an Ethernet module, which is in slot 2. Let's click Create. As we can see, Logic's Designer automatically recognizes the module type, the slot number, the revision number, and also the IP address associated with the Ethernet module. Once we have specified a name, let's click OK to add this module to the I/O configuration. After clicking OK, Logic's Designer warns us that we are going to create a module while online with the controller. In order to avoid dangerous situations, it is also possible to inhibit the module. Click Yes to create the module. The first module has been added. Let's add now the analog input module, which is in slot 5. Let's click Create again. Once again, Logic's Designer automatically recognized the module type, the revision number, and the slot number. Clicking on the Configuration tab, it is also possible to modify the scaling of the channels while online with the controller. While creating a module online, assigning a name to a module is not mandatory, but it is always a good practice to do so. For our example, we assign again a name to the module, and then we click OK to create. We have successfully added these modules to the I/O configuration of our project.